Now then, this is a B&Q dehumidifier. Owen left it with me with the fault of it's constantly showing that this bucket is full. So I just thought, Anyway, I left it in the bottom of the workshop for a couple of weeks, to the point where it was annoying me, it was getting in the way. I thought, right, let's have a look at this. First thing was this little float here. Let's just zoom in. This is what switches it off. That was very sticky. Didn't want to move very well. I don't know why, because it's quite loosely attached. And the second thing was, there was a bit of muck just here, which stopped the whole bucket going in properly. And it's got to go in really quite firmly. So somebody's pushed it in and there's been a bit of muck there, for whatever reason, and it stops it going all the way in. So it's running now, but it's still not very good. And why is it not very good? Let's have a look. Remove that. Whilst we're here, I'll just show you the switch. There, we can just about see that. There is the switch. Yeah. Okay, so that little arm presses on that switch. And so that was that working, but it's still not working very well. And one of the reasons, let's just zoom in a bit more, is the filter. Look at that. That's absolutely blocked. That's like a carpet. So I'm going to clean that out, take it outside, brush it all out, maybe use the airline with a mask and some goggles, because you don't know what's in this, put it all back together, and we've got a good dehumidifier to go into stock. And we use dehumidifiers around here. They're run off from the wind and solar battery side, so it doesn't actually involve importing any mains, and we use the water from several of them which are in dust-free environments, and that water, which is basically distilled water, we save that and we use it in the batteries. So it's a bit of a circular thing. Anyway, the switch, the filter. Hopefully you've gained something from this, and I will catch up with you very soon. Comments, discussion, wonderful. Subscribe, even better. Cheers for now.